For your first and main activity today, we are going to be working with a tape diagram, and you are going to write a scenario, a story that goes along with the tape diagram, as well as the equation to solve it. Okay, so I put an example up here so that I can show you like how I would approach the problem when I'm writing a story for this. Okay, so here's what we know. Okay, so we know the total is 90. And we know we have 1, 2, 3 groups of y plus 12. So if I'm going to go ahead and type up the equation first. So I know 90 is my total. And I know I have 3 groups of, or 3 times, y plus 12. Okay, so I have my equation. That's check mark. That's one piece of information I have done. Now I've got to write a story for it. Okay, so like I said, I know I have 90 total, and I know I have 3 groups. So I'm actually going to start with the groups part. To me, the groups is probably the easiest to deal with. So I have 3 groups. Instead of groups, let's use friends. So I have figured I'd just change it around a little bit so I can just type it in. So I have 3 friends. Okay, so that covers my groups part. So I got that groups part down, or thinking back to the equation, the 90 equals 3y plus 12. I know I have the 3 part done. So I'm actually going to change my color here and check off my 3. Okay. So I have 3 friends. Okay. The next thing is I look at my equation. So each friend, so each group is y plus 12. So I've got to figure out like, hey, where do I want to start? What do I want to give each friend? So let's do pieces of candy. So I give each friend some candy. Now you may want to put Y candy, that works as well, but I'm just going to put some candy because it just sounds better. It comes off the tongue better. And then, so I got the Y. So check mark that off. And we know that Y is attached to plus 12. So I know my story, my scenario has to do with something plus 12. And then 12 or some candy and 12 stickers. So we'll do that. So I've gotten to plus 12 now. Now the only thing left in my equation I have to do is the 90. I have to show it in my story. So I know 90 is going to be my total. That's the candy and stickers I passed out. So I gave a total of 90 stickers and candy to my friends. And now I can just leave it at that. If I want to, I can put the question, but I don't have to because it's really implied here. We know how many friends we have. We know the total. We know that each friend got 12 stickers, and really we're trying to figure out some candy. But if I wanted to put the question, I could. I could say something like, how many, not stickers, how many pieces of candy did each friend receive? And this would work. And that would be a story that would go along with this equation. I have my group number. I have how much each of my groups got and my total. So I've covered all of my bases here. You are going to do the same thing with this tape diagram. I want you to write a story for my 3 groups of A plus 2, and I want you to write the equation that goes along with it.